Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be showing you some things you can do to depuff your face in order to get it ready for makeup, in order to get it ready for the day. So with that being said, let's get started. I just woke up and I'm going to show you how I prep my skin before I put on makeup. Also, I do this spa day for when I feel like very stressed out and I want to relax a little bit. It helps me feel that freshness in my face that cools me down. Also, personally, when I have headaches, I try to do these methods and it helps me. So first is this eye mask, and I got it from Dollar Tree. There's two of them, but I just want to show you with one. So all you do is put it in the fridge or even in the freezer for like 30 minutes. Take it out and then just apply it to your eye. The freshness of this, guys, is just fantastic. And these I like leaving on for about 3 to 5 minutes depending on how much I want this area to feel depuffed. And it works a lot on the under eye circles as well. Next one is cucumber. I like cutting a little piece of the cucumber, not a lot. As you can see, I just cut the end off. And you can also be chopping it little by little. So what I like to do with the cucumber is that I like to leave it frozen for a couple hours. Or if I don't have it frozen, just get it fresh from the fridge and it feels so fresh on your eyes. All you do is apply it anywhere you feel you're puffy. So under my eyes, I like doing this, kind of like not rough motion, but kind of like sweeping, kind of like in a U. And then if I feel a little bit of puffiness up here, I just leave it there for a couple seconds. Again, don't be rough on your skin, just go slowly. It's like spa day. The freshness of this is so cooling. And then if I feel a little bit puffiness like around my area here, I just go ahead and use the same cucumber. And sometimes what I like to do after I use it on my eyes is just apply it everywhere on my face. It is natural, it doesn't have anything, and the coolness of this, guys, feels so good. Next step is a jade roller. I got this at Dollar Tree for $1.25, and I like putting it in the fridge overnight or a couple hours before I want to use it. And all I do is that I take it out of the package and then I just start going like this. Don't apply too much pressure. You just feel the coolness of the jade roller all over your face, and you feel your face kind of like depuffing. And this helps me a lot for the summer when my rosacea pops up even more. I like doing this when I wake up or before I'm applying makeup, or even before I start prepping my skin even more with like the creams to put on makeup, or even before I put the moisturizer on. Remember, always wear your sunscreen. Be gentle under your eyes, guys. Don't be pulling it a lot. The next step is a paper towel. You're gonna get this paper towel. You can put water on it and then freeze it for a couple of minutes, so like 15 to 30 minutes, and then apply it to your face. So fresh. When I'm telling you it's so fresh, it's like really refreshing. Or you can also wet it and then just apply it on your face. So in this instance, I'm gonna wet it for you guys. So it's wet with cold water. Now what I like doing is just apply it. You're just holding it there for a couple of seconds. I do this also when I have headaches, if I don't have anything around me to put on my forehead. I like wetting this with super cold water and then applying it to my forehead. Laying back, relax. Next one is ice cold water. So you can either use your running water or you can use ice water that you have. I find it that it's very refreshing in the mornings once you wake up, and it gets you up and ready. You're like, it gets you more in shock that you're getting in that ice cold. I like getting ice cold water, and yes, it is going to be very cold, so be careful if you do this. And oh, I have it in front of me and it's really cold, so let me see if I can do this in front of you guys. And yes, it is very cold if you do this method, so just be careful. If you don't want to do this method or the method that I'm going to show you next, don't do it. You can just go to your sink once you wake up, get a little bit of that cold water and splash it on your face. So this other one is a little bit colder because it's ice cold water. Literally, it's water with ice. And I have that right in front of me, again in the same container. And I have ice here. I know you guys can see. So what I like doing is that I like getting that container, either getting the water and just, it's cold but it feels very refreshing. So this method is super cold, but it's very refreshing. And again, I like it to wake me up. It gives you like the whole wake up. You see how cold it is. My face is like really red. But this helps me a lot, especially when I have my headaches as well. It gives me a little like, it's kind of like an ice bath. Another thing that you can do if you don't want to be dunking your face in ice cold water or even cold water, but you want a little bit of real freshness immediately, get an ice, then just get it and apply it to your areas. You can just put it there for a couple seconds. Get another ice or use the same ice, it's on you, and then put it on the other side. I really like this. I like using the ice cubes for my under eyes, especially because I get like very puffy here. I don't know if you guys can see, especially when I wake up. I have a lot of puffiness here. I like applying it on and off. So a couple seconds, as you see, off. A couple seconds, off, and then again. Again, guys, this is very inexpensive, very calming, and it's very good for your skin, especially to depuff it, to get it ready for the day. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. And I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye, guys.